She should fight and fight for valid reasons and just don't try to be correct. Sometimes just being wrong is fun. You have to win over people.
Yeah.
I see people tell she doesn't use her brain and she's not intelligent, and I like her. She's hot. She's hot and she looks beautiful. She looks beautiful.
Okay, so Big Boss, 14 has started. So आपको कैसे लग रहा है? आपने कुछ देखा है उसके सीजन्स और किस तरह के इस बार के कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं? उनके बारे में क्या कहना है?
I have always loved Siddharth Bhai, and Siddharth Bhai is here on the season again. And I have also believed in the alpha male thing, that one man is one man army and can handle and hold everything. कुछ भी हो सकता है. And Siddharth Shukla is like that. Prince Narula is like that. So I like these kind of people who have strong mentality और जिनको vision पता होता है, जिनको direction पता होता है. In this season, I like Pavitra because she has a say. She's a strong lady. She's a strong lady. She has to say what she has to say. And there was a little Radhima surprise. If I would have gone inside, I would have been a... मैं आपका हूँ चेला, आप रखे मुझे अपने साथ, हम दोनों मिल के लोगों को, ठीक है, मिलेंगे और वो करेंगे. तो खैर ये सब मैं अगर मैं चाहता तो मैं सोचता. लेकिन पवित्रा is one person I like Rubina. Who else? Can you say who else on the series?
Nishant. There's Nishant. There's Ejaz.
No, I don't think Nishant is just going haywire. Ejaz, okay, no.
There's Jan Shanu. Then there's Jasmine.
No, Jasmine, I think a lot of people are just telling me she's just crying.
Yeah, she did actually. वो कपड़े धोने के उसके she just burst out.
Because I've been shooting. I love Big Boss. I love Big Boss. Yeah. I have been in so much love with the show, but because I started shooting, I couldn't watch it properly and thoroughly. So Jasmine, no. Pavitra, of course, I think she's strong.
What about Nikki Tamboli? Nikki Tamboli, because she has
I see people tell she doesn't use her brain and she's not intelligent, and I like her. She's hot and she looks beautiful. She looks beautiful.
Okay. So, people have also said that she's a bit of irritating for people. Irritating or overacting. So, आपको ऐसा लगता है वो?
जी हो सकता है वो होंगी, लेकिन मुझे तो वो अडोरेबल सी लगती है. मुझे लगता है एक तो एक्चुअली हॉट भी बहुत है ना, तो फिर मैं थोड़ा सा इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाता हूँ.
So for sure, Shagun, we can say अगर घर पे आप जाते तो लव स्टोरी तो आपकी देखने मिलती.
मुझे निकी पसंद है, लेकिन पवित्र I like strong women. I have always loved strong women. Okay. Gohar is one. Gohar is definitely one. Somebody who can say what they have. Hina was strong. So yeah. So Pavitra, I would have thought about.
Pavitra. Okay.
I like Pavitra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
strong
seniors
women.
के बीच
She rose. Yeah. Sorry.
She actually. No. Please go on. You can.
Yes. Tell me.
Yeah. Okay, so ये seniors के बीच आपने अगर promos भी देखे होंगे तो seniors के बीच अभी फिलहाल एक task के time पे जो झगड़ा हो गया. So what do you think? Is it scripted या वो घर पे जाके सिर्फ झगड़े लगाने के ही काम कर रही है? उनको भेजा ही उसके लिए गया है.
I think जब आपका ओपिनियन होता है ना, और अगर कोई डिफर कर रहा है, आप ऐसी टेरिटरी में है वहाँ there is so much pressure. What happens in a reality show? Lot of people ask me also कि भाई स्प्लिट स्क्रिप्टेड था या रोडी स्क्रिप्टेड है या कोई और शो. मेरे को आप सीधी सी बात मैं जो समझता हूँ कि हाउ विल 20 people be learning lines and a script and then fighting and performing. And lot of reality shows, people, if they were really that brilliant actors, then could have just been killing it, right? But a very few sustain working. Like Prince Narula is one of them. But Prince Narula has been sustaining and killing it in every genre, and I respect that. And I respect people who keep killing it also. So, when in a reality show, the world suddenly becomes small. What happens to you in 5 years will happen to you in 2 days. You'll go from love, you'll go to hate, you will be wanting to punch somebody. आप चिल्लाना चाहेंगे किसी पे, you'll cry, you'll get emotional, and that's how it is. And that's about winning the show. That the Big Boss, the crux of Big Boss is you have been isolated with completely different people than your personality. और जब आप अलग पर्सनालिटी के लोगों के साथ बैठते हैं और अपना ओपिनियन देते हैं तो वो डिफर भी कर सकता है, और जब वो डिफर करता है तो कुछ अग्रेसिव हो सकते हैं, कुछ इमोशनल हो सकते हैं, कुछ कैसा भी हो सकता है. तो दैट्स काइंड ऑफ, एंड देन व्हेन यू आप उस पे विक्ट्री पा लेते हैं, फिर देन यू विन द शो. दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंस. यू हैव टू विन ओवर पीपल.
Okay, so Nishant के बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे? Because as of I have heard that you know him and you are friend of Nishant. So आपको क्या उनकी गेम कैसे लगी? Do you think कि वो बहुत reserved चल रहे हैं या he's trying to slowly come out, इस उनके नेचर को बाहर लाने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं?
मैंने निशांत के साथ बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं रहा है, लेकिन एक बार we were performing on some award function. हम परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. I met him there. But मैंने कुछ क्लिप्स ही देखे हैं निशांत के जब वो इंट्रो पे आए थे. I think he's been too correct, and no human being is 99% correct. And like I also heard him saying 14 दिन बाद वो चले जाएंगे. क्यों चले जाएंगे 14 दिन बाद? आप उनके जाने का इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप उनके ऊपर जीत के दिखाइए ना. ठीक है, आपको जाने का इंतजार नहीं. And you have a personality भाई, आपकी you are huge, but then you want to go. I think he's going against Siddharth Shukla also.
Yeah.
I would have been there. I would have chilled with Siddharth Shukla, yaar, because he's amazing. His sense of humor, his charm, his style on all the females is so effective. Why everybody wants to go and fight with Siddharth Shukla? I want to be friends with him. Yeah,
maybe somewhere Nishant has this point के साथ में aggression is a little bit of a problem, and when he talks to girls तो उनके language पे maybe control नहीं होता. This is what Nishant has said in his introduction part.
See what happens. आप ये तो आप पिछले सीजन के पे देख कर आ रहे हैं ना. अभी तक सिद्धार्थ ने क्या किसी को कुछ बोला है? जब आप इस सीजन में कुछ नहीं बोला है तो आप कौन होते हैं कमेंट करने वाले? पहली सीधी बात, आप क्यों कमेंट कर रहे हैं? वो पिछला सीजन था, उनके कंटेस्टेंट्स आपस में कर चुके होंगे. जो भी होगा वो सॉल्व्ड एंड सॉर्टेड है. बट व्हाट यू वर 1 year back, I can't talk to you on that foundation, right? And he is strong. Nishant Multani is strong and he has great personality. He should fight for valid reasons and just don't try to be correct. Sometimes just being wrong is fun.
Yeah.
And it brings enjoyment, and it brings a lot of energy also. Shehnaz was not correct. She also said, "मैं तो flip हूँ."
Yeah.
मैं तो flip हूँ, but people loved it, right? Because she was being she was being truthful and everything. So let it flow. See what equations you develop with people, and then just keep pursuing it. That's Pavitra, beautiful lady. She stuck me in my. Yeah.
I think आपने कल का एपिसोड देखा होगा, उनके डांस वाला पार्ट, where all the girls were impressing him. At least not the episode, but the promos तो आपने जरूर देखे होंगे. तो आपके अकॉर्डिंग वो टास्क कैसे रहा, और कौन, obviously you are saying that Pavitra was hot, but instead of Pavitra, who else was the one who had did it fab? The task that girl has done it fably.
Honestly, I'll tell you, Aarti, because Aram also is on its peak. And Aram needs to kill, and Aram is killing it and needs to kill it for. So we are shooting back to, and we are doing multiple scenes and intensive. So by the time I pack up, it's already late, and I have an early call time. So I missed yesterday's episode. But one day I'll get an off, and I'm gonna see everything together.
Okay.
But even I've seen Pavitra पहले भी मैंने देखी है और अभी मुझे पसंद है, और निकी मुझे hot लगती है. Jasmine, I don't understand Jasmine.
You don't understand Jasmine?
No, I don't understand Jasmine. सारा पंजाब से है तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सारा गुजरात. जी मुझे बहुत पसंद है सारा.
And Ejaz, because one of जब वो घर के अंदर जा रहे थे तो उनके पहले भी सीजन्स में नाम आ चुके, तो people were like कि okay, Ejaz का एक कोई strong aggression side दिखाई दे सकता है. तो आपको ऐसे कोई expectations थे Ejaz के साथ?
I thought he'll have an opinion, and he'll stand his ground and he'll fight back, but I don't think so that's happening, right? I don't think so.
Yeah.
In a Siddharth Shukla show.
Yeah.
And somebody says nahi, Siddharth Shukla को पिछला सीजन जीता कि नहीं जीता, he shows it here. Siddharth Shukla shows it here, he's killing it here. somebody can come and win over this and then talk कि हाँ ठीक है सिद्धार्थ का सीजन होगा अब वो ऐसा अब तो मैं हूँ ना नहीं पर nobody is able to crack that man do it first so Siddharth is killing it and Shukla साहब is killing it.
Okay, so you know अभी आपकी क्या expectations है? Lastly, this would be the last Big Boss question. आपकी क्या expectations है Big Boss 14 for you know अभी you have at least promos वगैरह आपने थोड़े बहुत देखे तो उससे अगर आप कुछ ideas लगा सकते हो?
I think the real game starts when the seniors leave.
Yeah.
Seniors leave और फिर everybody will start holding their grounds and they'll come out as whoever they are and फिर game शुरू होगा और फिर अभी तो I think it's just the seniors taking it over. It's just little bit एक पंजाब ਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਜ਼ਾਦ ਦਿਓਲ ਸ਼ਹਿਜ਼ਾਦ right?
Yeah, Shehzad.
I've heard he's also doing well and they're all chilling. So I think it'll just come out once these people leave, if they are leaving. I don't know.